Welcome to Video Content Marketing. I am Feyrer Jr. Do the analytics in the new YouTube Beta Studio seem like a foreign language to you? I can feel your pain. I'm going to show you how to interpret the new analytics and, more importantly, use these to breathe life into older videos or potentially create new content that's going to give you the best opportunity to get into YouTube's suggested list. The key is knowing what you're looking at, so let's dive right in. Now you're going to want to stick around till the end of the video to discover a huge hack that can really help you along the way. But consider subscribing to the channel to elevate your strategy. So let's get right to it. An impression at the top here is when a video is listed for a second or more anywhere on YouTube. If the user can see it for more than a second, that's an impression. The most important number for you is this percentage of how much YouTube suggests your content. Getting this number higher is the key to focus on. I know you want to know how to increase this number, and here's how you do it. First, you want to make clickable titles. Spend some time on this. Ask your friends. In fact, at the end of this video, this hack I'm talking about, it's going to help you make more clickable titles. Second, you want to make safe thumbnails. How are you going to be sure your thumbnails are safe? Well, you're going to use Google Vision. It's the same program that they use to determine whether your thumbnails are safe. Here's a look at the homepage. The link is going to be in the description so you can use this as well. Now here is an image example. It looks pretty safe. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with this. When you go over here and you click on Safe Search, this is what you get. For some reason, this image comes up as possible spoof. Why is this? I don't really know, but we make some small tweaks to this image to make sure that it is totally safe. Now you want your safe to be at least unlikely in every category. So here's what we did. This is the second image that is safe. As you can see, it's only unlikely that it is a spoof now. You want unlikely or very unlikely for every category. All we did here is wash out the background a little bit. Maybe it's probably not quite as enticing an image as the original one. But if you want YouTube recommending your content, you really want to verify your thumbnails based on this safe search process. Now you understand how to make your thumbnails safe for YouTube. Step 3, you want to make your thumbnails more clickable. You want to entice it. This is the advertisement for your video. Your thumbnail has to say, hey, click me, click me. The hack at the end of this video is going to help make your thumbnails more clickable as well. These 3 things, when maximized, will help increase your click-through rate. This is how you maximize those impressions and drive up that percentage of suggested views. Fourth, it's really important to understand that your click-through rate is your click-through rate, and your buddy's click-through rate may be completely different. And this varies wildly from the type of content you produce. So just focus on your own click-through rate and increasing that the best you can. Don't worry about your friend. The 5th thing is focus on your own click-through rate. As I just mentioned, you want to make sure that you are maximizing your click-through rate. So look at your particular video, find other videos in your catalog that are similar, average out the click-through rate, and try to increase this. I recommend setting a 5% click-through rate increase goal and go through your old videos and just make those thumbnails more clickable and see if you can increase your click rate by 5% on those videos. Now this brings me around to a very important point. Your click-through rate will go up when you are low on views. But as your view count rises and as YouTube continues to share your content out to more and more audiences, eventually it's like a big onion. And as your video grows and grows and grows, eventually it starts to reach audiences that just aren't interested. And then your click rate will start to decline. So just be aware of this little phenomenon. It's perfectly normal. Okay, this sounds a little crazy, but do not worry about the views section of the funnel. Why? Because if you take care of all the stuff above that, the views will take care of themselves. They have to. Instead, I want you to focus on this average view duration. Now, this percentage tells you if the video is good or not? No, really, it does. Most importantly, average view duration varies wildly depending upon the type of content you are producing. So don't worry about your friend's average view duration. Worry about your average view duration, and also focus on the percentage, not the numbers. Keep in mind, consistently getting in the 60% range is good. You will grow if you're in that range. When you're analyzing a video, you want to pay special attention to average view duration for non-subscribers. And this is really important because if your average view duration is significantly less for non-subscribers than it is for subscribers, it could mean that your content might be a little too inside jokey, and new folks that come to your channel just don't get it. It also means your channel will eventually die due to attrition because you're not actually bringing in those new subscribers. Do not worry about anything below this on the funnel. If you take care of the top of the funnel, all this stuff will take care of itself. You fix your click-through rate and your average view duration, and believe me, you are golden. Okay, so I've been mentioning this hack since the beginning of the video, and here's where I want to invite you to get involved. Now, A/B testing can be expensive. You have to use outside of YouTube apps in order to do it. But I'm going to put together a focus group of like-minded YouTubers who really want to help each other create more clickable titles and more clickable thumbnails. If you are interested in participating in this group, all you have to do is message me on Twitter. This is the handle right here. It's really that easy. If growing your channel, finding like-minded creators to collaborate with, or earning a buck or two on YouTube is something you're into, hey, elevate your strategy and subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications of when you have a new opportunity to learn and grow. Until next time, be good to each other and lend a hand to your fellow creator. It all comes back around in the end. Market like a boss. VCM out of here.